Hello Mzansi, welcome to Asikhulume with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Igama lami ngiMprudence kanzi sibongo ngakangoma nave trend EFF namuhla ngemva kokuthi Tolo Deputy President welela qembu Floyd wakashivambu resign ashiye phansi laphana ku EFF ngemva kokuthi abekulela bandla guys for isikhathi lesize kakhulu and bantu abaningi bathi ayi cha uyabona uMalema hayi bamtholile ke sana abantu abaningi labangamthanzi kuMalema they are actually rejoicing babona ngazuthi iEFF seyiyafa ukhiphe statement ke na Julius wakaMalema namuhla makakhuluma ukuthi hayi cha guys aningamangali baningi balaba sadophuma lapha na kuyo iEFF bayojoina lamanye maphathi apparently guys kuthiwa uFloyd Shivambu will be joining laphana uJacob Zuma laphana kumkhonto wesizwe. I'm not shocked about this one because bengade vele ukuthi it's either uyojoina lelinye iqembu or uyoqala lakhe because it's something that's always happening. Mabantu bayekela amaqembu lathide they always go to lamanye amaqembu or baqale abo guys tiyakhala tiyalila and tiku loudspeaker umuntu asekasime ngayo kena lapha ku EFF Malema senguye nje Mbuyiseni Ndlozi akabambelele lapha na kuMbuyiseni ngoba makangamphunyula hambe naye ku EFF. Hi guys, EFF. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.